got a 3-quart skillet over medium-high heat. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to melt this down. And there's my 3, with a little bit of olive oil, about a tablespoon. Stir this around until your butter and olive oil have melted well. Add 1/4 of a cup of finely chopped onions. Saute this for about a minute. Woo, and the fragrance of those onions and that butter smells so delicious. I'm adding 14 ounces of Bella mushrooms. And I'm going to turn down my heat to medium. We're going to saute these until they start releasing the liquids from our mushrooms. And oh my gosh, they're absorbing all those oils, and it's going to make this so fantastic. This should take about 4 minutes. This has been about 4 minutes, and you see those little brown pieces here in the bottom of your pan? We're going to use that to really enhance the flavor of our sauteed mushrooms by adding about 1/4 of a cup of chicken broth, or if you want to use wine or just plain water, you may. And we're going to wait and bring this up to a boil. This liquid will deglaze all those little brown bits of our mushroom on the bottom of our pan here, which will give these garlic sauteed mushrooms fantastic flavor. Bring to a boil. Cook these mushrooms until the liquid has completely absorbed. It'll take about 3 to 4 minutes. Remember, as your mushrooms continue to cook in moisture, your mushrooms are going to release additional liquid. Just keep cooking until all the liquid has evaporated. Stir about every 30 seconds. Now that our liquid is almost evaporated, add your garlic cloves, about 2 or 3 that I finely chopped, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 a teaspoon of dried parsley. Now if you're using fresh parsley, you can use about a tablespoon. Oh my gosh, these are going to be so fantastic. Reduce the liquid just a little bit more, and we're going to cook that garlic for an additional minute or 2, and then they'll be ready to serve. And look at those. After an additional 2 minutes, we have sauteed garlic mushrooms. Fantastic with grilled steaks, chicken, fish, or just all by themselves. Gotta get in here and give it a try. Yum, looky there. Wow. Woo, woo, hot. They're fantastic. Leave me a comment, give me thumbs up. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, you all. Stay safe, and I'll catch you lovely people later.